Hey creators, if you want to enhance your video resolution, you do manual adjustments of colors and sharpness or use different websites where you have to pay to enhance your video from HD to 2K or 4K. What if I say with Filmora, you can increase your video resolution and improve the quality of your video with just a single click with AI Enhancer? Many websites offer video resolution enhancement, but the process can be tedious and time-consuming. You have to find the right website, subscribe to a service, upload your video, download the enhanced version, and then begin your editing process. However, Filmora 14 simplifies this for you. Working with older footage can be tedious and time-consuming, especially when it comes to tasks like removing noise, enhancing video clarity, or adding sharpness. However, with AI Enhancer, you can accomplish all of these tasks with just a few clicks. Let me show you how effectively it works on older footage. We have some older footage that has noise and a bit of blur, and we'll be using the Filmora AI Enhancer to improve its quality. First, place your footage on the timeline. Then navigate to the AI tools and scroll down until you find the AI Video Enhancer. Enable this feature. Next, simply click on Generate, and the AI will start analyzing and enhancing the quality of the video. Once the process is complete, the AI will replace your original footage with the new enhanced version. You can then make further color adjustments using the Color tab in Filmora 14. When comparing the original footage to the enhanced version, you'll notice a significant difference. Filmora 14's AI Enhancer performs remarkably well compared to other AI enhancers available in the market. Or if you are a content creator and want your footage to look more professional and polished with minimal effort, transform your footage instantly and make it look more professional. We made a few comparisons for you with similar footage enhanced by other AI online software. First one is Photor Video Enhancer, second one is VMake AI, and third one is HitPaw. Filmora provides AI enhancement of the video while keeping natural details. Download Filmora 14 now and give a new life to your older footage with Filmora AI Video Enhancer. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.